Ladies and gentlemen, hold on to your seats. It's Balveer Singh Tomar.
लखनऊ के बलवीर सिंह तोमर अपना MFN डेब्यू करते हुए
There are a couple. In fact, Sanjit Pulvar was training at that camp as well. A lot of great fighters coming out of that incredible fight camp. Balveer Singh Tomar gets his opportunity to fight at the incredible Matrix Fight Night 14. So I think it will be very important for him to adopt the Ilya Topuria strategy.
And his opponent, Praveen Wagh.
मराठा टाइगर प्रवीण वाघ all the way from Maharashtra.
आमचा पुण्याचा माणूस आहे माझा. So I think Marathi, I'm from Maharashtra. Very, very proud to see one of our own representing. Technically, India is all ours, so हमारे ही सब लोग हैं. He comes in with an extensive amateur record because already we've had 2 bangers and 2 finishes in this incredibly stacked MFN 14 fight card.
Ladies and gentlemen, fighting out of the blue corner, his weight 61.2 kilograms, fighting out of Uttar Pradesh. Make some noise for Balveer Singh Tomar. And his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, his weight 61.20 kilograms, fighting out of Uttar Pradesh. Give it up for Praveen Wagh. Ladies and gentlemen, the referee for the fight, Jim Perdios.
All right, gentlemen, we've been over the rules. Protect yourself at all times. Obey my commands at all times. Touch gloves. Step back. Let's do it.
इस फाइट की शुरुआत दोनों ही फाइटर्स ने ग्लव्स टच किए. Oh,
Immediate opening leg kick by Praveen. No, Rahul, I have a prediction for this fight. When you have fighters that are so skilled, boxer versus a kickboxer, either one thing we say is don't blink, or it's going to be a technical war for 3 rounds. What's it going to be?
well, it's going to be don't blink.
No, the right answer is it's going to be entertaining.
Well, audiences, don't blink. It's going to be an entertaining war between both these guys. They've been undefeated. देखते हैं आज कौन सक्सेसफुल होता है और कौन पहली हार लेके घर जाता है.
You can see immediately Balveer Singh Tomar with an upright stance as opposed to Praveen, who's got a slightly wider stance. He's looking to land that inside leg kick over and over, set up his hands, and they're standing pretty close to each other. You can see he's trying to feel out that range. But smart move by Tomar. He's not overextending himself. He's not trying to reach out. But I'd like to see him pop a jab. Oh, again, very nice inside leg kick and good movement by Praveen. It's a very good tentative feeling out process between these 2 warriors. Both know what's on the line here. It's a big night for them. A big fight card to be on the undercard for.
यहाँ पे देखने को मिल रहा है कि प्रवीण वाघ जो कि बहुत ही सीजन किक बॉक्सर हैं, कंटिन्यूसली किक्स फेंक रहे हैं, इनसाइड किक्स, आउटसाइड किक्स, और यहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ एक्टिविटी दिखानी होगी बलवीर को. अगर वो बॉक्सर अच्छे हैं तो उनको कम से कम बॉक्सिंग फंडामेंटल स्टार्ट करने होंगे. He has to start landing, 1-2s in bunches.
There you go, good jab there a moment ago by Tomar. He's starting to open up now because he needs to figure out that range. He can't let Praveen eat his inside leg kick. Very nice kick to the body. Good combination there. Tomar tried to egg him on. Nice hook attempt there. But I'm just, you can see that amateur experience showing in Praveen Wagh's game there. He's moving beautifully. He's stepping in and out of range. He's landing his kicks when he wants. And just like that, sways out of range. It's a mark of a very experienced fighter at such a young age.
प्रवीण वाघ मात्र 19 साल के हैं और 19 साल में इनके
Nice. That'll wake you up, I promise you. Man, every time somebody lands a head kick, I just go a little crazy. Oh! Take a look at that. Tomar landed a very nice right hand. Got the attention of Praveen, and that's exactly what he needed, is to establish a little bit of respect for the power from his opponent. Praveen will think twice now before dropping his hands.
बहुत ही अच्छा शॉट यहाँ पे बलवीर द्वारा और एकदम से ऑलमोस्ट नॉकडाउन किया प्रवीण वाघ को. बहुत अच्छी बॉक्सिंग पावर दिखाई.
Good composure by Praveen. The ability to take a shot is very nice. You know, those shots, even though they're protected by the small 4-ounce gloves, they do a lot of damage coming in, and guarantee you, you see that right hand now? That right hand will start to swell up slowly, and he won't be able to throw it with the same power as this fight goes on. See, you can watch that. See that, Rahul? See that right hand of Tomar's now? I promise you, he felt that kick a little bit. I wish Praveen goes back to that inside leg kick though. That's what helped him set up the body shots. And
well, at merely 19 years of age, Praveen Wagh is a prospect to watch out for so far. We've seen an excellent display of his skills, his techniques, and I think, oh man, oh!
banging both these men.
Well, I think what Praveen needs to do is, secure his guard, because he's getting hit with those crosses. Oh!
Good job there. Both these men now starting to swing, trying to finish this fight off with one shot. Praveen Wagh standing flat-footed in front of his opponent. Needs to start figuring out that range a little better. And Tomar is now gaining confidence, is starting to land some good combinations of his own. He's shucking and jiving and moving better. You can see his head movement is improved. You can hear his corner screaming instructions saying, watch out, his left leg is going to go up.
मात्र 16 सेकंड्स इस राउंड में बहुत ही टेक्निकल फाइट रही है दोनों के बीच प्रवीण वाघ अपनी किक बॉक्सिंग दिखाते हुए और इनके विरुद्ध में बलबीर सिंह तोमर ने काफी अच्छा किक पकड़ के पंचेस
Very nice round number 1.
चलिए चलते हैं राउंड नंबर 2 की ओर
Matrix Fight Night 14 fight card brought to you by the amazing promoters of Aisha Shroff and of course Krishna Shroff.
यहाँ पे थोड़ा वही नजारा देखने को मिल रहा है अर्जुन जो हमने फाइट नंबर 1 में देखा था कि प्रवीण वाघ इनसाइड लेग किक्स और किक्स फेंक रहे हैं और यहाँ पे कोशिश की थी बलवीर ने उसको कैच करके काउंटर फेंकने की.
No, see, it comes down to what changes they decide to make in this round. Balbir will see that he's had a lot of success with that right hand, and what Praveen's corner would have told him is that he had a lot of success. Chop down those legs. With boxers, if you stifle their movement, it doesn't matter how hard you can punch. If you're not unable to move, it doesn't matter because you're not going to be able to pivot off that leg. You're not able to turn the hips and throw those hard hooks with mean intent. And I think Praveen could just keep working on those leg kicks, try and land calf kicks. We've seen a lot of those in MMA off late. Beautiful jab, pops his head back, and a little nod from Tomar saying that
बलवीर बहुत ही अच्छा फुटवर्क दिखाते हुए बहुत लाइट है अपने पैरों पे and that's the reason he's been able to move ahead, throw shots and come back.
Praveen targeting that lead leg again and again, but you can see how well conditioned these athletes are. Probably most fighters would not be able to take so many shots to the legs, but he's clearly in great shape. He's trained very well for this fight, and you can see that. You know, old tactic from a lot of fighters use is that it's eye control. They look down and they go upstairs. So Praveen is looking at his feet, and Balbir is looking. No fighter looks at your eyes. They look at your body. They look at your shoulders to see where you're going to move. So he's going to look at his feet and then try and go upstairs with that left high kick. Let's see if he adopts that strategy. Both men waiting for one another to counter, to react, to land first. But good job by Praveen landing those again stinging jab. Tomar having a bit again beautiful jab, beautifully landing its mark. Tomar not doing anything to get out of its way, trying to slip out of its way perhaps and look for a counter.
Well, Arjun, one thing I must say is that both these guys have been really patient with each other, and probably now number 3 we may get to see a lot more action between both of them wherein they try to charge in, try to make it dirty and try to get a win for themselves, just like the ones that we saw in the first 2 fights.
But we still have 2 minutes 20 seconds to go in this round, and the way these guys are going, it might end any moment now. Good body shot there by Tomar. I think that's his key to his strategy as well. Beautiful. There you go. He's looking at every time Praveen throws that inside leg kick, he's going to try to come over the top. But what I find very interesting, and what I really like is how Praveen is landing those jabs so cleanly.
यहाँ
Neither of these men are looking to take this fight to the ground.
दोनों ही फाइटर्स बहुत ही अच्छे अव्वल दर्जे के स्ट्राइकर्स हैं और वो कोशिश यही कर रहे हैं कि अपने फीट पे एकदम स्टैंडिंग फाइट करें और ग्राउंड पे ना ही जाएं। बलवीर तोमर यहाँ पे पूरी कोशिश करते हुए बॉडी शॉट्स फेंकने की और रिटर्न में प्रवीण वाघ ने एक और इनसाइड किक फेंकी।
But you can see, Rahul, you can see the movement of Tomar has slowed down just a scotch because you can see those inside leg kicks are working their magic. Those inside leg kicks over and over. You can see that? Look at the way. That's a first sign when you start stretching out that inside thigh because that's where one of your main arteries goes through. So the kick hits the inside of the thigh and slides up, which creates a ripple effect. And it's one of the most horrible feelings to be kicked with the foot or the shin inside the leg.
Well, yes, horrible in fact, because when I used to train, you know, those are the kicks that are...
There you go again. But now he would not fake a shot. But we've seen a lot of fighters do that for an advantage to break the momentum of or a certain flow of a fighter.
मात्र 30 सेकंड और इस राउंड में।
You can hear his corner screaming, put his hands up.
Oh.
There you go. Now it gets interesting because he's starting to check that kick. See, now he's starting to raise that leg. He's trying to show Praveen that he can put that leg up. Good body shot, good jab.
Whoa!
Big shot, swings. Both fighters swinging at the 10-second mark here. Wow. Very interesting, very interesting. I just, honestly, Balvin is a boxer. Boxers are trained to find that chin.
They hit the bullseye each time.
Well, let's find out. Third and final round. Oh, that liver kick. Watch out. He might be hurt with that liver kick. You can see, you can look at Balvin's right hand. Immediately dropped to protect the body. That liver kick was a shot, a work of art. And you can see Balvin immediately backing up to protect that side of his body. Praveen needs to work those legs. Take him slowly back to what brought him to the dance. Oh, beautiful inside leg kick. Okay, 1 second here. Inside leg kick. We can get a look at it from another angle because that did not look like a low blow. And a lot of veterans use that move as well.
An excellent sweep here by Balveer Singh Tomar. इन्होंने जो किक आ रही थी उसको कैच किया और स्वीप कर दिया प्रवीण वाघ को.
Balveer now trying a little spinning back kick of his own. Praveen out of it. Again, beautiful inside leg kick. You can see his corner urging Tomar to check that kick. I promise you he'll feel that tomorrow.
यहाँ पे बलवीर के कॉर्नर चिल्लाते हुए कि वॉल्यूम में पंचेस फेंकिए, आप जैब फेंक रहे हैं, जैब के साथ क्रॉस भी फेंको और 2-3 कॉम्बिनेशंस और डालो. आप केवल जैब फेंक के जो करना चाह रहे हो उसमें सफलता इतनी आसानी से नहीं मिलेगी आपको.
We've seen a lot of success of the double jab being used in MMA by so many fighters. Maybe that is a double jab, a shot to the body. I like how he's changing levels. He's throwing his jab to the body and looking to come over with the overhand right. It's a very good tactic a lot of boxers use. And now again, he's trying to rip to the body, but that singular body shot, unless he sets it up with the previous strike, it won't exactly land because he's telegraphing it at this point. Oh, just got him on the shoulder. And it's also, it's a big danger when boxers change levels because kickboxers, if they can read that, they will time it with a head kick. And you can see Praveen is just waiting now. He knows he's in the third round. He knows it's a highly contested fight. And the judges, you never leave it in the hands of the judges, according to me.
But बहुत ही अच्छा फुटवर्क यहाँ पे प्रवीण वाघ दिखा रहे हैं. यहाँ पे प्रवीण वाघ बिल्कुल दिखा रहे हैं कि जैसे ही बलवीर सिंह तोमर अंदर आते हैं शॉट्स मारने के लिए, प्रवीण वाघ is moving out of the range.
I'm really impressed by that jab that Praveen is throwing. It's such a crisp, clean jab. And again, it meets its mark. Praveen again, very nice kick.
1-2 by Balveer Singh Tomar.
Balveer Singh, though he's finding it difficult to close the range against Praveen. who's doing such a good job, because the minute he tries to step in with that left leg, Praveen is catching him with a kick. But like I said, he utilizing some feints would be fantastic here. See that, now you can see him. You see that leg buckle for a second because he switched it up and went to the outside of that leg. And over across 2.5 rounds, now he's finding it a little tougher to pivot off that leg.
मात्र 90 सेकंड और इस राउंड नंबर 3 में
90 seconds remaining in this third and final round. It's going to get very, very interesting. But now Praveen needs to get a little more serious because he's lost a point and that could affect winning or losing this fight.
बिल्कुल जजेस का स्कोर कार्ड अफेक्ट हो सकता है। मात्र 60 सेकंड इस बाउट में और दोनों ही फाइटर्स एकदम बहुत ही तेज गति में एक दूसरे को प्रहार करते हुए।
Look at that. Look at Tomar standing in his face, egging him on, saying, "Come on, stand with me." Praveen though playing a smart game here. He knows he's got 30 seconds remaining in this round. It's going to be difficult to finish him off, but I don't know if he's up on the scorecards or not.
Well, excellent display of footwork here by Praveen Wagh. Tomar trying to throw in those punches. A big right hand doesn't land.
Big swings and misses because he can't catch him in his range. Praveen, though he's in kicking range, would look to throw up, and smartly his corner screaming, saying keep his hands up because they can sense it coming. It would be fun if he mixes up a takedown from this position because that would cement it.
मात्र 10 सेकंड से
head kick.
मात्र कुछ ही सेकंड बचे हैं इस फाइट में। अर्जुन, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होगा देखना कि किस प्रकार से जजेस ने स्कोर किया है, स्पेशली क्योंकि प्रवीण वाघ का एक पॉइंट कट चुका है।
Judge Frank scored the bout 28-28. Judge Rupendra scored the bout 29-27, declaring the winner by majority decision from the red corner,